What's the meaning of alternation? Alternation. 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 Alternation.
Alternation refers to the act of switching or alternating between two or more options or states. This term can apply to a variety of different scenarios, from language patterns to political power. The result of alternation is typically a change in the current state of affairs, as one option or state is replaced by another. Alternation can be a deliberate strategy used to achieve a specific goal or outcome, or it can occur organically as a natural consequence of changing circumstances. Overall, alternation plays an important role in shaping our world and driving social, cultural, and economic progress.